Hey guys, Nate back from Winter Equipment with another edition of What's in the Box. And what's in the box today? Pegasus is in the box today. All right guys, through the magic of video editing, we've gone ahead and pulled everything out of the box and put it out here in front of you to talk to you. A couple things to keep in mind with this. This is designed exclusively for a Western Wideout 8100 series plow. If that's not a plow you're currently under operation, no worries, 800-2-WINTER, winterequipment.com to learn more about all the other products that we offer that can work on your plow. For those of you with the Western Wideout 8100 series plow, let's get right down to it. What's the biggest pain you deal with? One of the biggest pains you deal with is changing that urethane factory edge that comes from Western. When you go ahead and change that, you've got to overextend the wings, pull a bunch of hardware, pull a pin, little piston, a lot of pain in the butt. Winter Equipment works to reduce that or eliminate it. Yes, the first time you do the installation, you are going to have to go ahead and do all of that, and you're going to install our adapter plate here. It's really simple, 1, 2, 3 bolts, bolts onto your factory OEM wing edge, and then we've got 3 holes down here where we're gonna hang our rubber on. You're gonna run part of our hardware kit over here, and again, everything you need to install this comes with it. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna run that plow bolt through, and then the thread will stick out. You'll go ahead, when those threads are hanging, you're gonna then go ahead and take Winter Equipment's patented WinterFLEX rubber cutting edge, and you're gonna hang that on those threads. The nice thing about this, as you can see, it's slotted, so you can actually move this up and down as your plowing environment dictates. You can also flip it or roll it or put it on the other side and do the same thing. So if you damage one corner or one section of the rubber edge, the rest of the edge, you don't have to throw that away. You can go ahead and spin it, maybe put that broken edge up here, solid edge across the bottom, keep plowing. And again, because we used our adapter plate, none of that pain in the ass of changing out. Just loosen up, take off the clamp plate, adjust your rubber, put it back on. And I've talked about the clamp plate here several times, haven't showed it to you. This is the clamp plate. Again, this is gonna go over the front of the rubber edge. So if we've got the adapter on, rubber goes on, clamp comes over. The clamp is what's gonna hold the rubber cutting edge in place. And we've gone ahead and added these things called cleats. And what the cleats do is they work to kind of push into the rubber and hold that rubber edge in place so you can align it, put the clamp bar on, run the nuts down, push the cleats into the rubber, hold it in place. Go ahead and do your plow operation. When you bring it back in, if you need to change it, you lift it up, you loosen up the nuts, you pull off the clamp bar, you adjust your rubber, clamp bar back on, nut back on, firm it up, off you go to plow. The final component that we offer in our Pegasus system is we offer replacement cutting edges for the traditional full-length Pro Plus plow that it sits on, the 8-foot length plow. Those come in 2 sections, a left and a right. We offer them in a hardened steel called boron, or we offer them with a carbide insert. To learn more about both of those, winterequipment.com, 800-2-WINTER to talk to a specialist, can walk you through which one may be the better option for you. Both of those will feature an integrated welded on abrasion resistant cover plate, interlocking tabs to hold together to give you rigidity and strength. So you'd go ahead, you install those cutting edges, you go ahead, put on your adapter plate, hang your rubber, install your clamp plate, tighten your nuts down, and you're ready to go for operation. To learn more about the Western Pegasus system and the rest of the snowplow parts that Winter Equipment offers, check us out on the web at winterequipment.com. Call and talk to a specialist, 800-2-WINTER, or follow us on social media. And don't forget to click that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you don't, I'm in big trouble.